Okay, pull it out. Ready, go.
Oh my goodness.
Twist it. Can you twist it?
Alright, twist it. That's what I did. Twist, twist. Up, down, side
Twist.
to side.
One big twist. Ready, go.
I don't want to do it. It hurts.
Alright, well.
Okay, one big twist.
Oh look, it's bleeding.
Yeah, it's bleeding.
It's bleeding. It's bleeding.
Okay, ready?
It's bleeding.
You want me to rip it out for you? Okay, you're getting blood everywhere. Don't.
Sorry. She's gonna swallow it.
No, she won't.
Hurt. You're not gonna hurt. You're not gonna hurt. You're not gonna hurt. Teddy bear.
Here, push your finger on it.
Not gonna hurt.
Push your
not
finger
gonna
on
hurt.
it.
Not gonna hurt.
Like, do it again. Push like you're pushing it back into your mouth.
Nah. Ow!
Is it out?
Oh yeah.
Is it out? Wait, let's see. Let's see. Look at me. Look at me.
Put it in the cup. Put it in the cup.
Quiet.
Oh my gosh. Spit. Gosh. She's a vampire. Oh.
Here, go get a different cup for the tooth.
I'm just pouring it.
It came out?
Yeah.
Ow.
How did it come out?
I was pushing it in and then Daddy slapped me.
This is a laughter?
Good times.